Hello. In this video, we want to determine whether the following are identities. We have the cosine of x minus pi over 2 is equal to sine of x, and tangent of x minus pi over 2 is equal to cotangent of x. Now, here's the thing. These are not in the form of cofunctions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with the side that has the minus on it. So for the first one, I'm going to begin with the cosine of x minus pi over 2. It's very close to the cofunction identity, but notice that the x and pi over 2 are switched from each other. So what I can do is I can factor out a negative from both of those, which makes this cosine of negative, and then parentheses, negative x plus pi over 2. But because we don't like seeing that in that order, let's flip those around. And that's going to make this cosine of negative, and then parentheses, pi over 2 minus x. Good. But remember, cosine is an even function, so this negative can just kind of go away. And this is going to give us the cosine of pi over 2 minus x. But notice that is the cofunction identity between cosine and sine, so that means that this is going to give me sine of x. And so the answer here is yes, this is in fact an identity. So if you flip those two around for cosine and sine in this order, specifically because it's cosine, then yes, this is an identity. Next, let's look at tangent. So tangent of x minus pi over 2 is equal to cotangent of x. We want to know, is that a cofunction identity? Well, to do this one, let's begin with the side with the subtraction. So that's tangent of x minus pi over 2. Again, it's close to the cofunction identity, but not quite. So let's go ahead and factor out a negative. So it gives me tangent of negative, and then parentheses, pi over 2 minus x. Pi over 2 minus x. It's the same trick that we did over here. But remember, tangent is odd, which means that if there's a negative here, it goes out front, which gives me negative tangent of pi over 2 minus x. Now, notice something. If that's the case, that negative can't go away. So it still needs to be there. That's going to give me negative, and then tangent of pi over 2 minus x is that cotangent of x. So this is negative cotangent of x, and negative cotangent of x is not the same thing as cotangent of x. Therefore, the answer here is no. This is not an identity. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.